Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I did this slick back ponytail using Brazilian wool. So first of all, let's get into the items. So we're going to be needing a rat tail comb, we're going to be needing some section clips, we're going to be needing some scrunchies, we're going to be needing some hairbrush, some crochet pins, some hair clip, some white tooth comb, gorilla glue, and the Brazilian wool itself. Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Adjoa Slay. If you're new here, thanks for coming. If you're old, thanks for always coming back. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, what are you waiting for? Please tap on the subscribe button and tap on the little bell beside the subscribe button to get notified anytime I upload a video. Tap on the like button below this video, guys. Tap on the like button to tell YouTube that this video has to get to a lot of people on YouTube, okay? So now let's get into the hair. So this hairstyle is for days that you don't know what to do to your hair, and also this hairstyle is for the girlies that always say that they can't do any hairstyle they see on social media. Any hairstyle they ever see, any video of an hairstyle they ever see, they will say they can't do it. This hairstyle is simply packing your hair to a slick down, like just brushing your hair into a ponytail in a classy way, just in a classy way. I mean, with a little twist, packing your hair to the back with a little twist in a classy way. So for days that you don't know what to do to your hair, this is a simple hairstyle for you on the go. You can do this hairstyle within 30 minutes, and if you're a slow person, I think you should be done with this hairstyle in an hour. Just that I had to film this hairstyle, that's why the video is a little bit long. But if you're doing it by yourself, if you're slow, I think this hairstyle shouldn't take you more than 1 hour, okay? So first of all, I need to prep my hair. Mind you, my hair is a thick 4C hair, which needs a lot of tender loving and care. Hence the reason why I'm taking a longer time in parting and prepping my hair and all of that. Yes, my hair needs tender care and loving because my hair is my crown. Anyway, I don't know what yours is, but for me, my hair is my crown and she needs all the care that I can ever give to her, okay? So first of all, I section my hair with section clips just to make the styling easier for me, looking at how thick my hair is, okay? So for this style, if your hair is not as long as mine, no shade to people that have short hair, but I'm just putting this. If you're wondering why is she doing all of this, it's because my hair is a little bit longer and too thick, so I don't want my hair to come out bulky at the ends when I pack my hair into a ponytail. So what I did, for common sense, what I did is, this just came to mind. I didn't see this anywhere. It just came to my mind that I should cornrow the middle section of my hair, which is going to kind of squeeze the middle section of my hair into a tiny bit, and that's going to reduce the amount of hair that I'm going to pack into ponytail. So basically that's what I did. I put that section of my hair into cornrows just to minimize the amount of hair that will be left for me to use for the ponytail. So I did 3 cornrows and I tucked them in. Very easy peasy. But if your hair is not as long as mine, you don't have to do this. In fact, you don't have to do this. You really don't have to do this. But because of the nature of my hair, I had to do this for my own good, okay? In order for my hair not to look bulky at the ends where I will attach the ponytail, okay? So very easy peasy hairstyle. That's it. All you need to do is pack your hair to the back. Just forget about this section that I'm doing. because I have to do this because it's my hair. But if you're doing it on your own hair, if you have a relaxed hair, if you have a soft natural hair, you don't have to do this. If you have a shorter natural hair as well, you don't have to do this. Just in order for me to reduce the amount of hair that I'm going to be using as the ponytail at the end, that's why I did this combo. Okay, yeah, but if your hair is as long as mine and you also don't want your hair to look bulky when you pack it into ponytail, you can do this. Okay, this just occurred to my mind, like I didn't see this anywhere. I just sat down figuring how to minimize the amount of hair that will be packed at the back of my hair as ponytail, and it just occurred to me that I should just braid. Well, this is not the first time I'm doing this. I found this trick. I thought of this trick recently, and anytime I'm doing my ponytails, I do this trick, okay, in order to minimize the amount of hair that I'm going to be using for the ponytail. So if you have long hair, if you have thick hair like myself, this is a trick for you. This is a trick or a hack, I don't know how you want to call it, but this is something I do to minimize the amount of hair that will be packed into ponytail. Okay, so guys, easy peasy, very simple hairstyle. I would like you to let me know in the comment section if you be trying this hairstyle, and let me know if you have thick and long hair and you find this hack or trick useful to you. Let me know in the comment section below as well. Okay, easy peasy. And to let you know that I'm going to be filming a lot of hairstyles using Brazilian wool, so if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, you might want to do that. Share the channel link to your friends, this will be useful to as well. So you know what to do, girl, you know what to do. So now I'm done with hiding that section of my hair into ponytail. So now it's time for me to wrap my ponytail. Okay, hiding that section of hair into cornrows. Okay, now it's time for me to go on with my ponytail. So you see, I'm packing my ponytail covering the cornrow that I did in the middle. Yes, this helps to minimize the amount of hair, because if I had not done that cornrow, the amount of hair that I'll be using for ponytail will be like twice this hair. Yes, because I have a lot of hair. This is not to shade anybody with less hair, but this is what God gives me, and I'm going to flaunt it. Please, I cannot hide what God has given to me. I'm proud of it and I'm willing to flaunt it. Okay, so I saw somebody commented on one of my videos that when will I be launching my natural product. It's still in the pipeline. Like, my natural product is still in the pipeline. If you're new on this channel, I talked about coming up with my hair products, like the product that I'll be using for my hair. Is still in the pipeline. Okay, it's still in the pipeline. I'm testing and doing all the good stuff so that you don't have to go through stress using my products. Okay, so I'm just bringing out the best out of the best for you, and that takes time. Okay, so what I do with the ponytail is I gradually, brush my hair to the back in bits, because my hair is thick. If your hair is not thick, once again, you don't have to go through the struggle. Okay, I mean, some people can just push their hair to the back and it's slicked, but my hair can never do that. I'll have to take my time, take my hair in bits and in sections to slick it back gradually. For me, it's always a gradual process. With this, my hair, it's always a gradual process. But if your hair is not like mine, that you can easily pull to the back, good for you. But also, if you really want your ponytail to last longer, if you want your hair to lay and last longer, it's better you do it in section. Like, you slick the ponytail in sections, just like I'm doing. If you have 4C hair and you want your ponytail to last a little bit longer, you will have to take your time and slick your hair in sections, not just for the 4C babes anyway, but any type of hair you have. If you're doing ponytail and you do the slicking in sections, it helps with the longevity of the ponytail. Okay, so I use the Gorilla Glue. This Gorilla Glue is about expiring. Like, I had the Gorilla Glue for a long time, and only for me to check the expiring date, and it's expiring soon, like very soon. So I decided to use it before it expired. It was actually left with just a few scoops in it, so I used it for this ponytail. Okay, I can just like go to waistline that I had to use it. So yeah, I used the Gorilla Glue, and feather helped with the hold with some holding spray as well. Okay, you want it to hold together for a while, because I wanted these hairstyles to last me for like 2 weeks. Like, usually this kind of hairstyle I can do today and change it tomorrow, but I was not as at when I was doing this hairstyle. I didn't have any other hairstyle in mind, so I knew I was going to carry this hairstyle for a longer period, so I needed it to stay. If you want your ponytail to stay and last a longer period, you always need to enforce your ponytail with some holding spray. Okay, after applying your gel, you have to enforce the hold with some holding spray. Okay, and trust me, your ponytail is going to hold, as the holding spray's job is to hold your ponytail. It's definitely going to hold. Okay, so this is the last section. I'm going to detangle it. You know, you have to detangle your hair for a smooth sail, actually, because you don't want to be slicking bumpy heels. It won't slick. Okay, it won't slick. You have to make sure your hair is detangled, and you know, natural hair will always shrink. The little chance it gets, it will shrink. So you have to comb through as you go. If you're doing this hairstyle with forcing natural hair, you have to comb through as you go. Not just forcing natural hair, actually, but I feel like if you're doing ponytail, you have to detangle as you go, because you don't want to work with bumpy, lumpy hair. Okay, so yeah, if you want your hair to sleek, really sleek down, smooth, you need to detangle as you go to avoid bumpy lumpies. Okay, yeah, and of course enforce the hold with some holding spray. So now it's time for the star of the show, our Brazilian wool. Okay, Brazilian wool, it's the most affordable hair piece in the market, if I'm not lying. A hair attachment, like an extension, a hair extension, the most affordable hair extension in the market, apart from yarn. Yes, I think Brazilian wool is the cheapest. So yeah, you don't have any excuse. You can afford it. Okay, so just one pack of Brazilian wool is good for this hairstyle. You don't need too much. Just one pack, single pack, just a single pack. Okay, it's enough for this hairstyle. So I cut mine into my desired length. I wanted some length so that my knot is going to look a little bit bigger. I don't like tiny hairs. I don't like small hair on my head. Okay, I love extra. If you've been on this channel for some time, you should know that I love extra. And yeah, I needed some volume, even though it's for just a simple style, but I needed the hair to have some volume, and this volume was okay for me. So what you do is you attach the Brazilian wool to some scrunchies, then you attach the scrunchies to your ponytail. You know, secure it to your ponytail, okay, so that it doesn't move. It doesn't have to move. You see how I'm pulling the scrunchies, because it does not have to move. It has to stay there until I'm ready to move it. Okay, that's how yours should be as well. Okay, so now that we are done with that, we bring the Brazilian wool back, wrap the Brazilian wool, kind of blend the Brazilian wool to your hair, so that we don't see any hair, because we don't need your hair to show in this hairstyle. Okay, you wrap the Brazilian wool around your own hair, then you twist. It's an easy style. Like I said, if you can't do this style, shame on you, because this style is easy. You have to do it. Okay, you have to do it. Let me know in the comment section. Those of you that will be doing this hairstyle, let me know in the comment section. Okay, you can do yours and tag me on Instagram or on TikTok. I will share your videos. With TikTok, you can repost the video. Yes, I have a lot of people's video that I've reposted on TikTok. People that recreated my styles, I've reposted their videos on TikTok. So please do tag me so I can repost your video on TikTok. And if you are not on TikTok, if you're on Instagram, you can tag me on Instagram as well. Or if you're not on any of those platforms, you can just send a video of your hairstyle to me on WhatsApp. I just want to be a proud teacher. Okay, so yeah, easy peasy hairstyle. You just twist the Brazilian wool, then you wrap it around. Very easy. If you didn't get it for the first time, you can go back and rewatch from where you started getting confused. Rewatch it as many times as possible, and voila, you got the style. This is our style. Okay, easy peasy. Enforce it with the holding spray, and we are done with the hairstyle, baby. What are you looking for? What are you waiting for? So we've come to the end of today's tutorial, guys. I need you to help me rate this hairstyle over 10 in the comment section. Like, how much will you give this hairstyle over 10? Like, rate it over 10. Is it 5? Is it 6? So guys, let's read the comments under this video. So I promise to be reading comments under my previous videos in my current videos. So if you want me to read your comment, kindly leave a comment under this video so that I'm going to be reading your comment under this video in my next video. Okay, so let's get into the first comment. So the first comment is from Lydia Isenam, and she said, these pointers are definitely relatable. Thanks for sharing with us. Thanks so much, Lydia, for watching the video as well. I really appreciate. I'm glad they were of help to you. And once again, thanks for watching. And guys, Lydia Isenam is also a YouTuber. Kindly go subscribe to her channel and let her know that you are coming from my channel. Okay, the next comment is from Boateng Ruby 5059, and it says, stop the follow back. This was funny and insightful. I loved it. I love you too, dear. Thanks for commenting. That video was really kind of funny and insightful as well. So if you haven't watched that video, go watch it and keep the comments coming.